up and out. Really push it out. Push it out. Get low and push it out. Open the legs. Get low and push it out. Release it. Yep. Then allow the right foot to sweep around and bring it up. And take it down. Release it. Push it out. Push it out. Push it out. So this, from back here. Start the pushing it out from back here. Wrap it up. Look at my hand. Circle. Circle. Plie. 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 Yeah. Try that a few times. Now both hands. Here. Yeah. Really let it go. From behind you, let it out. Forward. Yep. Breathe deep in the gut. Release. When you come down, you gotta really let it all go. This, and then here's to control. You gotta really like faint with it. Let it be really loose. Like somebody took the electricity out. Still to control. To control. This has to flow. Go. Just take that up and down. Up and down. Looser. Looser. You're almost exhausted enough for me to believe you.